This is great for long commutes, long on-location shoots, some pre-viz, some overhead diagrams. There's always something to be done as a cinematographer in preparing for a shoot.
The Obsessive DP.
What's up and welcome back to The Obsessive DP. Today we're going to do a quick review on one of my favorite tools on set. It's this right here. It's the Inovativ DigiPlate. It's something that's way overpriced, but it is extremely useful. The main use for this on set for me, it's so useful because you have your shot list next to you at all times, and you can actually pull it off the C-stand, pull the whole plate off, and your laptop stays attached with these clips. There's even a handle on the back. You can walk it anywhere on set and feel like your laptop is in a safe carrying case because it's all attached and all locked in this metal plate. I love it. We keep it right next to Video Village, so the director and I both have access to it. We can both literally look at it, be crossing shots off as we get them, and just totally be on the same page. This is something that's really helped us be on the same level, on the same page, and working towards the same goal versus being confused and being off because he has his printout, I have my printout, and we're trying to match them up and we cross different things off. This is the best way to do it. It really is. From experience, I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt, this works great. I can link my shot list template in the description below if you want to check it out. It's something where I have everything color coded and then I change it to green as we get the shot on set. So it's very clear what shots we missed, what shots we may need to go back and get, and what shots we have yet to get. This is not sponsored. Inovativ, they have great tools. This is the Inovativ cart right here that I have all this situated on, and I love them, but they're very expensive. And I mean, hit me up. I also want to show you guys, we have two card readers here. We have the CFast for the Komodo, and we have the normal mag reader for the DSMC2. It is awesome because they're mounted right under the laptop. We have both card readers ready to go. It's an easy, quick DIT solution when you're working on a smaller shoot, because I'll just DIT it. It's super simple. It's all integrated in one unit. You can also have your hard drives connected to this plate as well, so everything is solid, and if someone bumps it, or even if the whole thing falls over, everything's clipped in and everything is secure and locked in and safe. One last note, we installed this L baby bracket in our van, so maybe you're on the shoot, the offload isn't done yet, DIT is still in process, you just complete it here. We have a power inverter underneath, doubles as a really sweet workstation to get some mobile work done. Sorry for the audio, the mic broke. But I love this thing. This is great for long commutes, long on-location shoots, some pre-viz, some overhead diagrams. There's always something to be done as a cinematographer in preparing for a shoot. So you can get that work done right here. Like and subscribe. I'll link all this stuff down in the description below if you want to check it out. Stay obsessed.